Hi my friends, how you doing today? This is Romeo the Professor, and as you can see, Safe Moon is doing good, but Dodge Elon right here is doing amazing. It's a ERC20 token. It's been here for about 3 weeks now. It's at 200%, so I'm going to go hard on it. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click on Uniswap right here, and I'm going to connect. My wallet's not connecting. Just give me 1 second. Let me find Uniswap here. Let's see if the wallet connect. My wallet connect. And so I'm gonna type in Leon. It's not popping up. Let's see something. Okay. So I'm not going to do it from here. I'm going to buy Dodge Leon from 1inch exchange. But so we go to 1inch, and from 1inch I will click here and see if I find Elon right here. So I have Elon right here. Okay, so I have ETH right here. So my balance of my ETH is about 10. So I'm gonna enter here. Seven ETH. I think I'm gonna buy a Dodge loan with 5 ETH. No, 3 ETH, $10,000. So I'm going to buy some Dodge Elon with $10,000 worth of ETH, and then I'm gonna move ETH somewhere else. So I click swap, and I'm screenshotting this. I confirm swap. So in other words, Dodge Elon went up 200%, and I'm forcing it to go down by putting 10,000. In other words, I'm telling it, make a decision. Go up another 50% or go down 50%. Okay? So I've been putting more money in it, more money in it, more money in it. So when I click on it now, my Dodge Elon is here at 200%. So my Ethereum went down here. So now I'm going to take Ether, because I want to keep my Ethereum heavy. So I'm going to remove probably 5,000 from Metal right here, my account that I have here, Metal. And then I'm going to remove 5,000 for NKN. Okay, and put it in ETH. So let me see if I can do it with Uniswap. So let's just see if we see Metal. Do we see Metal? No. Do we see NKN? Do we see NKN? Did NKN pop up? No. So I'm going to do it with 1inch. Okay, so I'll go with 1inch. 1inch exchange. Okay, so now I got to see ETH. I click here. Let's see. I click here. Let's see if I see NKN right here. So I want to switch NKN. So now I'm going to flip this. And that's $10,000. I don't want to use 10,000. You know something? Yes, I will use $10,000 and turn it into ETH. So I unlock. Infinity unlock. It's going to charge me a little. $11. That's okay. And so now I'm screenshotting this, because I'm going to receive $9,923 in ETH from NKN. And so it's been approved in the Etherscan. So I'm swiping token. And so that's the confirmed transaction. It's going to cost me about $100 of my $10,000. That's about 10%. Ethereum gas fees are expensive. That is true. But I want to make that move to start protecting my ETH, because remember, I told you my base will be Ethereum and BNB Binance. Those two will be my base. Those are my base. Okay? So what I'm doing is I'm stacking up on ETH so that if Dogelon is still moving up, I can start putting more money in it. Okay? Because whenever you see a coin is going above 50, 60%, I jump for the ride early. And then I wait till it reach a resistance. And if it does a pullback, I chill for a little bit. And if I see it goes back up and touch the resistance, then I start scripting off the top because it looks like it's not going to pass the resistance. Okay? So now let me go back. It says pending, but I'm going to go back to see that my NKN should be less and my Ethereum should be more. So I go to my wallet. And so now I look, my Ethereum is right where it needs to be at 27,000. I like my Ethereum there. And my NKN is at 18,000. So metal, I'm gonna leave it alone for now. I am Romeo the Professor, so I bought more of Dogelon, and you see Dogelon now is at 202%. So I am Romeo the Professor. Thank you.